To make A0 size poster in Canva, come over to this create sign here and click on it, and we'll go to custom size. From this unit of measurement, you want to change this to millimeter. Now for your width and your height, if you're creating a portrait A0 size poster, you're going to enter 841 in the width and 1189 in the height. But if you're creating a landscape A0 size poster, you're going to enter 1189 on the width and 841 on the height. So we'll go with the landscape A0 size. Let's do that. We've entered the width size and we've entered the height size. This is a landscape A0 size poster, and we're going to click on create new design. The blank document has opened in the editor. What I usually like to do is to give my design a name. We have a name for our design, and this is our blank new design. You can start to design from scratch, or you could choose from the templates here. Let's pick this template, and it drops beautifully into our design page. Editing this design to become your own. If you go into the uploads tab, you can bring in your own image from here. And if I go here and I want to put this image into this place, I will just click on the image and hold and pull it into this place where the image is, and it takes the form of that. If I want this to be here, I will do the same. And if I want this lady to be here, I will do the same. And if I want to move how they are positioned, I can click on it, go to crop here, and drag and position properly. I will click on done. You can tweak your text by double tapping on the text box and writing what you want your text to be. When you start typing, it's going to change what is inside there. I would undo that. You can also take things out you don't want in this design. For me, I'm going to pull this away, and I'm going to pull this away, and I'm going to pull this away. Once your design is ready, you're going to click on share here, click on download, and from here you're going to select the type of file type you want to download as. If you're printing this, I would go for PDF print, and I would choose to crop the bleeds because I want it to be printed properly. I don't want things looking skewed and out of place. And I will click here and click professional printing, and you hit on download to download your design and take it to the printer.